In this virtual shopping video, I'd like to talk a little bit about some of the cleaning type products we have. We have a nice full stock of our yoga mat cleansing spray. These are coconut oil derived surfactants blended with various types of essential oils. It's great for helping to wipe down your yoga mat. And then we also carry Swede Dish Cloths, which are great. They're reusable, biodegradable, compostable. They absorb, I believe it's 20 times their weight in water. And we have a lot of really cute little patterns. So this is another item that we don't carry on our website. But if you get a hold of us, we can definitely arrange an order for you. Oh, a lot of these little llamas. So we have peach llama, blue llama. We have a lot of those little guys. Then as you saw, some of our little owls. We have these little eco-friendly ones. It's always 1 o'clock. You're telling me. I really like to use these for general cleaning around the house. Typically what I like to do is have a different one for different uses. I know some people like to just sort of keep a stock of these on hand. You can wash them by putting them in the dishwasher, top rack. You can microwave them. Never actually tried that. You can put them in the washer, and then you would just let them air dry. So we have all sorts of cute little patterns there. If you're interested in ordering any of these dishcloths, just get a hold of us and we can arrange that.